Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. Today I'm going to go ahead and do a review on a mount that I typically buy for the house. It's really easy to mount a television up to 60 inches. And the cool thing about this one is that they can actually swivel, and I have about 5 of these in the house right now. And as you see here, they run about $30 on Amazon. It's called VideoSecu, and it's pretty light overall. And you'll see here that you can swivel. Right now it's pretty tight, but you can basically swivel up and down on the television. You can also expand it in and out, so you have the ability to go ahead and hook up your plugs and be able to get to the back of the TV. So it's a much easier to go ahead and manage. Another thing is, what I love about this mount is that it comes with every single possible screw for every television in the market. As you see here, it has every single one. It even has like these spacers that if the screws are too short, you can add it to make sure that they're tight. And it does come with the actual kind of bolt that you're going to go ahead and put on the stud itself. So I kind of wanted to show you what comes in the package. It also comes with a free HDMI cable, which is a plus. So for $30, you're getting a huge bargain, right? The manual is like every other manual, somewhat detailed, somewhat helpful. It's very picture driven, which is what I like. There's not many words. It really visually shows you how to go ahead and mount it and how it all works. So that's what I wanted to show you, and in the next basis I'm going to actually show you how to mount the television. I have a 65 inch that you can go ahead and mount this one on. So let's go do that. Alright guys, so we're back here. You see the wall. We went ahead and we found the studs, so we went ahead and added the mount. And now the next step would be to go ahead and add those mounts to the TV. So one thing you want to keep in mind, this screw here, you always want to make sure it's on the bottom. The same thing with this one here. Make sure it's at the bottom, because once you go ahead and hook this up to the bracket, you're going to want to tighten these in so the TV doesn't come out. Alright guys, so here we go. Those brackets are mounted on the television, and now we're just going to go ahead and hook it up. You guys see, I want to show you that I went ahead and mounted the TV, and I have it in a slant position, so it's easy to go ahead and see it better. So it was pretty easy to set up overall. Well, I hope you like it. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.